Today, I'll show you how to take a disk snapshot in Microsoft Azure. This process is essential for creating a backup of your virtual machine's disk, ensuring that you have a reliable restore point in case anything goes wrong. So, whether you're a seasoned Azure user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, you'll want to navigate to the Azure portal. Once you're logged in, look towards the top navigation bar and search for Virtual Machines. This will bring up a list of your virtual machines, allowing you to select the specific one that is currently running and for which you intend to create a disk snapshot. This step is crucial because it ensures you are working with the correct resources and not inadvertently affecting the wrong virtual machine. Once you've selected your running virtual machine, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. Scroll down until you find the Settings section. Here, you should see an option labeled Disks. Clicking on this will present you with a list of all the disks associated with your virtual machine. This includes your operating system disk and any additional data disks you might have attached. Now, it's time to select the specific disk you want to back up. You'll notice that each disk name is hyperlinked. Click directly on the name of the disk you wish to snapshot. This action will take you to the disk's overview page, where you can see more detailed information about the disk. On the disk's overview page, look towards the top Actions toolbar. Here, you'll find an option that says plus Create Snapshot. Clicking on this button will open up a new setup window. One of the convenient features of Azure is that it automatically pre-fills several fields for you. This includes your subscription, resource group, region, and the source disk information. This automatic filling minimizes the risk of entering incorrect information and speeds up the process significantly. Taking a snapshot is an efficient way to safeguard your data without needing to navigate through complex settings. Remember, snapshots can be particularly useful before making significant changes to your virtual machine, such as updates or software installations, as they allow you to revert to a previous state if something doesn't go as planned. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct and to your satisfaction, you can proceed with creating the snapshot. The Azure portal will handle the rest, and you'll have a backup of your disk stored safely in your chosen resource group. To recap, the process involves searching for your virtual machine, accessing the Disks section, selecting the desired disk, and then using the Create Snapshot feature. With these steps, you can easily create a snapshot of your disk in Microsoft Azure, providing you with peace of mind and a safety net for your data. And there you have it, a straightforward method to take a disk snapshot in Microsoft Azure. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.